In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AdsPower account. We'll walk through the account creation process from the very beginning, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and go to Google Search. In the search bar, type AdsPower and look for the official result labeled AdsPower, best anti-detect browser for multi-accounting. Make sure you're clicking the official website so you land on the correct page. Once the AdsPower homepage opens, find and click the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page, where you'll see a couple of ways to create your account. If you want to register with email, choose the option to create an account by email. Then type your email address into the email field carefully, since this is where your verification code will be sent. After that, click Get Verification Code. Give it a moment, then open your inbox and find the message from AdsPower. Copy the verification code and enter it into the verification field on the registration page. Next, create your password. Make sure you enter a password you'll remember, and if the platform has any password requirements, follow those so your registration goes through without issues. After entering your password, check the box to agree to the terms of use. Once everything looks correct, click Sign Up to complete the process. You also have another option if you prefer a faster sign-in method. Instead of registering by email, you can click Continue with Google. From there, select your Google account from the list, and then click Continue to authorize the sign-in. After that, your AdsPower account will be created. That's it. Whether you sign up with email or continue with Google, the process is quick and straightforward. Just take your time entering your details, and you should be ready to start using your new AdsPower account right away.